Hey, I'm Joe, and when it comes to salad, my advice is to let your imagination go wild. I did this and I came up with an awesome recipe of salad. I call it Joe salad now, and it's made of baby spinach, cherry tomatoes, mozzarella, soya sauce, and olive oil. You mix these ingredients and you'll have the best salad ever. Let's do this. I'll cut the tomatoes in two. What's great about this salad is that you can add as much of each ingredient as you like. So if you like mozzarella more, you'll add mozzarella more, and so on. You don't cut the mozzarella, you just take a piece of it and put them directly in the salad. Now I'll add some olive oil and some soya sauce, and I will mix everything. Enjoy it, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications, and tell everybody you know about this salad. Bye!